Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use the RFTools Builder. This versatile block is essential for automating construction and destruction tasks in your world. To begin, simply place the builder and right-click it to open its user interface. You'll need to provide it with power, typically redstone flux, to get started. Once powered, you can define its area of effect using the 3-dimension markers, setting up your first automated project. Defining the builder's operational area is crucial for successful projects. You'll use 3 distinct dimension markers to precisely outline the volume where the builder will work. The first marker establishes the origin point, acting as your starting reference. The second and third markers then extend to define the full X, Y, and Z dimensions of your target zone. Always double-check that this defined area perfectly covers your intended build or clear space. The RFTools Builder offers several powerful modes to suit your automation needs. In Build mode, it constructs structures based on a loaded shape card or blueprint. The Clear mode is perfect for quickly removing all blocks within your defined area, making way for new projects. For relocating entire structures, the Move mode is incredibly useful, shifting your creations to a new position. Each mode provides unique capabilities for efficient world management. Shape cards are the brains behind the builder's operations, dictating the specific patterns or structures it will create. You can use various shape cards for simple geometric forms or even copy existing structures. Remember, the builder consumes redstone flux, and the power usage will vary depending on the complexity and size of the task. Always ensure you provide a consistent and ample supply of power to guarantee smooth and uninterrupted operation of your automated projects.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.